Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I First, and all things that's good in the seed. And I want to say enough respect to all viewers and subscribers. Seeing, and I must say, and I appreciate the reception. Seeing and respect the audience. Seeing, you don't know. Our opinion, and we are trying to open a conversation, discussion on the issues them we think mean something to us. You know, see? So, if you like the content, you don't know, just subscribe and grow the channel, you know, make the thing go on, you know, see? You don't know. So, UK unsigned. You see, as I said, a while ago, you remember, you are easy, you know, general. Big up yourself, UK unsigned. You know, see, I didn't realize you think properly, but I'm sure, I couldn't think of anything else being written there other than unsigned. But I know I say UK. No, you know yourself, big up yourself. Yeah, man. You see, I think going a while back, I'm not quite sure how long ago. You know, see, it doesn't matter. But Jasmine Dean, we not forget you, and we not forget you know, see it. Though we will show you how things stay. You know, see it. And the consequence and the compassion, you know, see, and concern for our well-being, how lax that is. You know, see, so some evidence may I bring, you know, it's a long time story. But no, though, you can't forget that little pretty girl there. She have a smile will make you feel comfortable. You know, see, that big idiot thing that. Seeing? But the thing is, when I observe what really weird about the whole thing in Rasta is that I'm gonna observe the missing, the disappearance of the girl. You know, see, through the media and things like that. You know, see, enough bloggers do some good job in regards to exposing the case, you know, and bring it to prominence. You know, see, but at the same time, the next thing go on will go viral too. You know, see, some man feed a dog to a crocodile at Jamaica. You know, see, and what me observe is that the US embassy that get mad. You know, see, I know the dog video never go viral or prominent like Jasmine Dean video because somebody at Jamaica, the local population have to make the thing go viral or big it up, you bring it up. You know, see it. I know the people are more concerned about Jasmine Dean than a dog will get eaten by a crocodile where a man, wicked man, feed to a crocodile. You know, see it. You know, see it. So that's the news and the interest and the concern of the people there. You know, see it. But the US ambassador show a film compassion there. Film compassion was in regards to the dog where the man them feed to a crocodile. You know, see, $5,000 reward for information leading to the people them where feed a dog to a crocodile, while a visually impaired girl, a university student, I don't know if she's a major or she's a minor. Bottom line, it's extraordinary. The fact that she's a university student with visually impairments and she's blind in a Jamaica. You know, see, you know, see, and the US ambassador never said the need for sure, you know, You know, John know. You know, see it. So that's the level there. It's not just an ordinary Jamaican, not just an ordinary young lady just a walk around and missing. You know, see it. Somebody we usually need human assistance. You know, see it. Somebody where the world, regardless of who it is, every law show a level of leniency and compassion in regards to people like Jasmine Dean, you know, see it, and the ambassador from America was supposed to be at Jamaica, reinforce civility, promote the American version of civility, you know, the rights of the Me Too movement, you know, the rights of all of them things that we reach females across the world. Jasmine Dean went missing, and the US ambassador found it more suitable to give reward for the recovery of information leading to the arrest of the culprits who fed a dog to a crocodile in Jamaica. Now, Mr. Ambassador, people raise snake in your country, you know, and people raise a rat. You have people who love rat. Now, the two of them are animal. See? Basically, you're going to say he's an animal lover or a dog lover. You know, see it. You know, anyway, you have to accept being both. You know, see it. I've never heard somebody say them love one animal and not love them. Just generalize them as an animal lover. You know, see it. Seeing you have to make people stop feed other people pet rat to snake and them thing that because the people them love snake, you know, see it. And them way they have people where like the Indian them where revere cow with a certain level of deityism. And you eat beef, you burger every day, you know, see it. And you know, see it. No, people them not really take no great offense because your culture that not that I'm saying cruelty to animal is acceptable in any way, shape, or form. Like I said, that particular incident that day was vexing to the spirit, seen, but not as vexing to the spirit as Jasmine, to wild animal that Rasta. You know, see it? Jasmine Dean is missing. You know, see it? Our heart goes out more than anything else because we know somebody we promise to take care of and look out for, you know, see it. And at the time we know the circumstances, the prognosis, the news, this not look good. You know, see it. Them missing people, thing never result to, the result never too happy. So we awareness heightened about the whole thing. You know, see it, we emotionally charged. You know, see it, and when Jamaican charge like that, anyway, they of the world can feel it. We see them amongst them. And Mr. Ambassador, you're there in the midst of us. In the midst of us, and you see the plight. You know, if you address cruelty to an animal. See? So, youth and youth, you know what, before we go no further, them take 140 mongrel the other day, so that's not notice. We'll soon talk about that later. But you see them little thing, them little thing why you want to take advantage of people and get away with it. Because you know, say the powers that be, people who can help, people with the charity, people with the resources for offer the help, they really focus on solving crime against ghetto people and poor people. You know, see, 100%. You know, say, even the man who kidnapped Jasmine Dean, you know, see, if it was a Chinese girl him kidnapped, or a girl from across the divide in a Kingston, Jamaica, well, you know, say, you have but three different worlds. You know, see, you have the Beverly Hills, like California type of world in a Jamaica. You know, see, you have the suburb type of world, like the American dream in a Jamaica as well. And the whole of them offer the same level of security and sanctity, like where America offer. No, you go to them places to go commit certain crime, or whatever. Commit crime. See, them investigate, they get addressed with the same level of effort where the first world country where them suburbia more prominent or more, you know, them get the same level of effort, same focus, the same fervor going to investigating them type of crime, yeah. Seeing within days. You know, so when you get catch or publicize a wanted man and uncomfortable. You know see it, but you know so when I try them thing at downtown, nobody now look at them do them they even want to come cover up them body, them annoyed. For do them type of detective work there. I wanna know that. That's why I wanna keep doing it and get away with it. But I don't want another one I defeat and like on them thing I may try showing the right so evidence may showing say it's like a setup, a plan, apply, thing prominent like this are happening in front of everybody. Seeing and them choose to look on the dog, it's like them are telling us say you're in a business and that we want to do. You know, see it. Observe me talk about no youth and you know, say this is a science at work, yes, man, at play. This not normal. This not happening nowhere else in the world. And the wickedest, the saddest thing about that, if you try that anywhere in the world, a big scandal and disgrace in you. All if you can talk about dog when human suffering are going. You know, see it. A big public relations disaster that. In the people in country. You know, see it. But only in Jamaica because again, it's like we desensitized to we own humanity. So them people they can do what they want to do and we sit on one side and laugh about it and they even pick up on the ramification and see how them value it. You know, see it. Me Too movements. COVID-19 cause a certain level of stress, a recognized level of stress where heightened spousal abuse, domestic abuse, and them thing there. And the world recognize it. Recognize in Britain, and it recognize right across the world. JASMINE Dean, now stop say her name. You know, see it. And it's like the Canadian them come down there. You see, because you don't know, through lockdown and things like that, them say it stress out people and people there now one another face every day, you know, them get frustrated and them use that, them liable for fight and them really, them recognize that and know say. You see, them even a find excuse for them crime. Some crime where them not encourage and not like. You see, but now them find excuse for it, say mental illness and things like that, white rise due to the lockdown. You see. So we all establish that and we know so that I go on right across the world. You see, Jamaica have the resource to even pay a focus on that. And everybody know as well. You see a man them where they in the thing know so Jamaica can't afford certain little thing. You see, yet still them see the need for rescue 140 dog. You know how much food dog them a day offering? That's all human need for a little while to, you know, them gone out, can balance themselves and take care of themselves. You have to take care of a dog for life. Them have that sticker there in them window. Dog is not a pet for a season. Dog is not a pet for winter. Dog is a pet for life. Dog is a partner for life. And them sticker that them put in them car window. So them know so when them adopt a dog, them adopt dependency for life. No human being. Not no human being, but again, unless you go adopt one, we depend upon you for life. And we have enough of them there in Jamaica too. You know, see it, I want to tell you, so we have them in abundance. We have them and some people, we're nothing wrong with them. Them have brain, 2 foot and everything forward and our work, but them just decide to be dependent. You know, see it. Some don't understand how, you know, the heights of everything a third world country and the government I try to call it what them call it, midsection economy or something like that, but poor people now see that the benefit there and before them see the benefit here, say it's sunk again to third section economy. You know, see, but me could stay and focus on. I hope it don't work that way there, you know, see, but me just call them out with them trick before them even try it. You know them ones there? Yeah. So a guy knows, boy, I better not do that car. The rest start about it already. You know, see, yeah. See, them say a middle class economy or the you know see it show up on poor people and crime and violence are like at the highest in the world. Like it's a civil war country when economy exists. You know, see it. You know, see it. And people, Canada know them things that the Canadian embassy down there collect information where we don't know about the island. You know, see, at that ambassador and them people they do. See? Yet still, a 140 dog gonna sit for take in front of our eye, how much women and children down the right in our struggle and could have need some of the immediate cost we take for care for 140 dog to Canada. See? For find Jasmine Dean, for convict somebody for your disappearance, far cheaper than the initial cost for move 140 dog. The amount of money we could have cost them for store the dog them at Jamaica before them even fly out. Before airfare go up on top of that. The amount of money we could have cost them for round up and catch and feed them dog till them ready for move them. You know, see, 140 dog. What we could not go to China where them and name them? At least the Chinese them not struggle as much as Jamaican. You know, see, them is another set of vampire too. You know, see, but 140 dog Canada, shame on your man. I think it is more peaceful and compassionate than that Rasta. I think it have more consideration than that. You see, that's downright racist. And you can't tell me say a lie neither. You see it? Oh, if you come down there and say dog and so much suffering people there, the Rasta. So much people are struggle. Women are struggle. Forget by day. Women are go missing. Women are dead. Women are struggle from domestic violence and them thing there. And you want 140 dog. Something look like something that ever me don't know about, where them people don't know about. You see where the people them not access or not use for them benefit. You see. But I think, you know what I go on at Jamaica right now. Personally, I as a Jamaican, as a black man go down there and see what I go on. I don't think I think what I can afford to spend to secure 140 dog for even take before me even add the affair to that. I don't think I could have see the need for them dog there at the moment. You see it? The two next door neighbor them come at Jamaica come try that subliminal psychological ply upon people and show the criminal them how much care and compassion them have for the health and well-being of the people them. You see it? Yes, Rasta. 140 dog. You see it? Them thing that puzzle me. You see it? And I have to highlight it and make a chat on it. It's been a while now since Jasmine Dean has been missing. You see it? I always wanted to say something about it, but like I say, the man that may deal with it, make it prominent, and it was prominent, and they did a good job. You know, see it? But you don't know. 140 dog. $5,000 reward for information leading to man feed crocodile to alligator. Feed dog to crocodile, while a visually impaired girl is the biggest news. Her missing, her disappearance is the biggest news on the island. More bless, share, like, and subscribe. You see it, and I hope the youth them see why them get away with so much crime, and people say, we have to go do something about it. We have to go, we have to do what we are doing and do something about it. Wanton murder and innocent woman and children stop dead. Rastafari.